we're gonna make one pogo until it's warm in the microwave. And this is a frozen pogo on my lead McQueen plate. So let's get going. So we're gonna put the pogo in the microwave for power level 1. Power level 1 for 1 minute. And then, is it on 10 now?
Yep.
1, 0, 0, 0. And my dad said that I could make a video on my dancing day when I'm done. Can you see the pogo spinning around?
Now with your head in the way. Now you can see it.
Spinning around.
It's rotating.
And this microwave is made by a company named Downey.
What else?
It actually has a memory card. The presets there's a different preset than
Where do you face me?
Microwaves do not have. It has soup. It has popcorn, pizza, potato, beverage, soup, dinner plate, frozen vegetables, and fresh vegetables, and pizza. So, it also has weight defrost and time defrost. So, here's what happens. You put it in the microwave for power level 1. It's still frozen. So now we're going to put the other side up. And we're going to cook it on power level 2. Let's see what happens. Wait defrost, time defrost, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Power level 2. Can you see it rotating?
Yes.
Two is like 20% almost.
2 is 20%.
And 1 is like 10%.
Yeah. And you gotta keep talking if you're gonna be telling people what's going on here.
10% it seems like it's still frozen.
Mm-hmm.
Is it getting warmer? How fast is the plate going?
Not very. If it goes too fast, the microwave won't be able to get into the food.
So will it still be frozen?
Yes.
Ooh. Instead of the crunchy, the soggy part being cold and this being warm, the soggy part is warm, but this is still almost frozen still.
Mm-hmm. So what do you gotta do now?
So now it's the same temperature on the other side, so we are going to cook it on power level 2 till it heats up again for, like, I say...
Didn't we just do power level 2?
Yeah. But we're going to do it again because I want it to start heating up.
Well, you might have to try 2 minutes then.
Well, I hope 2 minutes doesn't burn it.
Not at power level 2 it won't.
But, alright, 2 minutes then. But we're going to put it on power level 2 for 2 minutes. So 2, 0, 0.
Alright, you gotta talk for 2 minutes.
Yes, I can make a video on my Dancing Dave after this. I'll even demonstrate a little bit.
Go right. Right. Sorry. Go right behind you now. Straight ahead. No. Turn left a little bit. Straight ahead. All right. Does he react to you talking to him? Does he react to you talking to him? Try something. You gonna try something? Try to make him dance. Okay, you know what? You gotta talk until the people don't know what's gonna go on. What's going on?
So it's done, and here's what you got.
They can't see or feel, so you have to describe it, eh?
It's warm.
But is it hot?
No.
And if you squeeze it, is it still warm on the inside? Or is it cold?
I think it's the same temperature.
I think the same temperature? It could be.
So this is what happens. You put pogos in the microwave. So now I'll put it back in, but I won't. I wonder what happens when you push another button. After it's done.
What do you mean another button?
Like one or something. What did it come up?
It's on, as soon as you push the one, it's a preset. So it's on power level high for 1 minute.
So how do I make the power level 1?
Well, you gotta first zero it out.
No.
Zero everything out, and then go back to the start again and start it from power level 1. It's the only way to do it.
Okay, so zero it out. Now I wonder what happens when you...
Zero it out first. Alright.
Now only for 1 second. That didn't do much, did it?
I don't think that did anything. Bet you the microwaves didn't even touch it.
So now what if I push 0?
Well, it's zeroed out again. So what do you got to do when it's zeroed out?
So what if I push 3?
Then it's on for 3 minutes on power level high.
So I guess all of these power levels are high. What is that noise?
That's the pogo burning. It says power level high for 30 seconds, not 3 minutes.
Is it burnt?
Okay, zero it out. No, it's not burnt. Actually, zero it and so first zero out the microwave. You can leave the door open. You just have to zero it out. All right, now you can touch it.
Is it burnt?
Well, you tell me. I don't know. I can't see it or feel it. Is it?
Doesn't feel like it, but it's
it hot?
Very, very soggy.
Is it hot or is it just cold?
It's hot. And how do I make it power level high for 30 seconds?
Well, you got to push power level 10 and then push 30 seconds. But you know, it's already cooked. So go ahead and close the door.
Why?
Well, if you're going to cook it again, then you got to close the door.
But I don't want to.
Okay, take it out then. And then be done with it. Whatever you're going to do with it, it's done.
This is what happens when you do this.
Well, again, you have to describe it because they can't feel it.
I heard a sizzling
And looking at it doesn't do anything.
Well, it was cooking. And look.
Looks like it cracked the coating. The coating split open.
So the microwave can do that.
Yeah.
That was just the coating sliding open. I guess.
I guess so too.
But anyway, it's hot. It's probably hot on the inside for sure now. Yep, it's hot on the inside.
Cool.
So bye.